What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to disinfect your N95 mask using the convection oven. Let's all acknowledge one thing. On this mask, this is a one-time use mask. After you're done using it, you'd throw it away. Anytime before this, we'd throw it out. But today we cannot go to the store and buy these anymore. So what we gotta do, we gotta reuse them. And as you know, anything that you do to this mask is gonna compromise the filtration system of this mask. So what we're trying to do is limit the amount of compromise that's happening to this mask. And this is the best way that I think it can be done. So let's talk about this N95 mask. The innermost layer is a melt blown layer inside, which is electrically static charge. So what we're doing only is basically disinfecting the outside of the mask and the inside of the mask. That's all we're doing now. Hospitals and researchers have been looking for the best way to disinfect these N95 masks. They've come up with a few ways, and this is one of the best ways I think at this time to clean your mask. Wearing a mask out in public is not to prevent you from breathing anything in as much as it's designed to keep from you breathing any droplets.
And keep in mind, the reason is not so much to protect ourselves, but to protect others from us.
Having any aerosolization going out.
So there's been a recent study that came out that said even the force from your voice of speaking, there is a degree of aerosolization, namely the virus can come out not very far, a few feet and down.
If everybody wears these masks, we'll help protect each other and get through this thing together. Now that most people are being required to wear a mask while they're out in the stores, shopping, wherever they're at in public, they're being required to wear masks.
I signed an executive order which will require the wearing of masks or face coverings when inside any retail establishments.
So we're gonna have to deal with disinfecting them some way, because you're not just gonna wear this dirty mask all the time.
We also want to make sure that that mask is also clean, right? So that it doesn't also become a source of secondary contamination.
Even though we are disinfecting these masks, cleaning these masks, the filtration is still gonna break down. That's true. However, I still think it's better than wearing a t-shirt and wearing it over your mouth.
It should come as no surprise that these medical grade masks are more effective, but that doesn't mean we should dismiss the benefit of cloth masks.
I've seen people out in the stores where they're just wearing a covering on their face, like a t-shirt or something along those lines, and you can see right through to their face. Just by wearing a t-shirt alone over your face, is still droplets that are gonna come out. I'm gonna show you that video right now.
Take a look at this experiment done by researchers at the National Institutes of Health. They use lasers to help show how far spit droplets travel through the air when we talk. Watch how far those green dots go when he speaks. Without the lasers, these droplets might be invisible to the naked eye. But now, with a cloth, we barely see anything.
Exhalations come out in the form of a gas cloud. And the wearing of masks, therefore, could be, even if they're not high grade, a way to contain the range of that cloud.
So the best way I think you should do it is have your N95 mask, you've disinfected it, then get a mask cover that you can wear on top of this that'll help with the filtration system, and that covering is going to be easier to clean and wash than always having to disinfect this mask. So as I said, we're going to put this in a convection oven today, and we're going to clean it, and I'm going to show you those steps now. Alright guys, so we got the N95 mask. We've got the water filled up to the line there. Got a piece of paper that's going to hold the moisture for the water while I put it in there. And of course we have our lid. So what we're going to do is we can go ahead and put the mask inside. Go ahead and take your paper, put it inside, and go ahead and wet the paper towel. It's all empty. Go ahead and put the lid on top. Alright, let's go put it in the oven. So we're going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. And now we're going to go ahead and put the mask in the oven. Alright, and now we're going to let it go for 30 minutes. All right, our 40 minutes is up. Go ahead and take it out. All right, so now what we're gonna do is just take off the top and let it sit for about 5 minutes. So after you're taking your mask out, go ahead and put it in a bag and wait until you're ready to use it again. If you have any comments on ways that you've been cleaning your mask, go ahead and leave those down in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you guys. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be safe, be smart, be kind, and we'll see you in the next one.
And the thinking is really now influenced by information that's coming in. And the information is that more and more accumulation of data indicate that people who are without symptoms at all can transmit the virus. But importantly, they can do it merely by speaking.